guys, Mr. Taylor here, Taylor Robotics. We've got a new project that we are going to start. We're going to Mars. We're not going alone. We're taking our robots. So I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the expectations and what you're supposed to do and attempt to do. So first, you can have your robot. The robot is going to have to complete 3 of the 7 missions. So 3 of the 7 missions. Let me just talk about these missions. First mission, your robot must start in the base. The base is this gray area right here. So your robot must start in the base anywhere, and then it has to return in any part of the robot. Could be in base. The whole robot doesn't have to come back, it just has to touch base. So let's start with our missions. First mission right over here. This is called Activate Communications. You have to get your robot to push that up like that and come back. You don't want to push too hard or it'll flip over. You want a nice smooth push and back to base. Next you got to collect the rock samples. So you got 1, 2, 3 rock samples that you have to collect. Moving right on. Our MLS robot. You have to get this robot somehow or another onto the Martian surface. Then we have our solar power. You've got to spin this counterclockwise until it pops open like that. Satellite. Launch the satellite. Pretty self-explanatory. Launch the satellite. Not actually throw it, but launch it. It starts in base. You push it out to this white spot right there. Boom. Good. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You pick up the flight commander, which is the white astronaut. And the last one, drum roll. Initiate launch. You are going to be launching this rocket. So you take this rocket, it hits that, deploy. So those are all 7 missions. You only have to pick 3. Now, if you want to do all 7, that's great because you'll get a prize. Now, here's Waffle. Waffle's pretty boring. Nothing on there. A lot of these, you might need some attachments. So don't worry. I want you to think about what sensors can you use. Color sensors, ultrasonic sensors, maybe even a gyro, touch sensors, other things to build different attachments that can help you with the missions. So I want you guys to get creative. I want you to think outside the box. And here's a few clips of how I completed these missions. suggestions, some tips, some ideas. Now there's probably 1,000 different ways to complete each one of these missions. I want you guys to be creative. I want you to use the engineering design process and be successful. Let's get to Mars.